How to fix dropped frames and lagging YouTube videos. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So open your Chrome browser and then on your top right corner, go to the three dot line. Now go to settings. After that, go to system. Now here you will see an option of use graphic acceleration when available. Simply toggle this on if it is toggled off. So let me tell you about graphics acceleration. So as you can see, graphic acceleration is used to make faster pace rendering and use of hardware video decoding amongst other enhancement. So turning it on will result in better performance of videos and higher the frame rate, and it smoothens the animation. So that should fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.